In this video, we're going to talk about single line unpacking. So it is not necessary to create the iterable beforehand. You can actually do it all in a single line of code. So let's say I want to unpack or just assign three values over here, A, B, and C. So I can assign them 1, 2, 3, just like this. So on the right-hand side, I'm creating my tuple over here. 1 will be assigned to A, 2 to B, 3 to C, like this. And just to double check, so A is now 1, B is now 2, and C is now 3. This might be a little bit more obvious on what is happening. So if you saw, if we have the example first, like T equals 1, 2, 3, and then we, on the next line of code, we say A, B, C equals or is assigned to T like this, might be a little bit more confusing. So this is a little bit more straightforward, but you have to remember that this is a tuple on the right-hand side, and this is how it gets unpacked. All right, let's just see another example. Let's unpack 4 values of a range object. So a range objects create are iterables, and this defines the sequence of integers from 100 to 103. So those are 4 numbers, and I can just check a couple of them and see that that has happened correctly. All right, we can also unpack dictionaries. I didn't show this before, but let's create a dictionary with 2 keys, and we can just say Texas, California, like this. So the way unpacking of dictionaries work, and I've just created this in a single line of code, is that it iterates through the keys. So you should have seen that in the videos above. When we iterate directly through a dictionary, it iterates the keys, not the values, and not all of the key value pair items. So just the keys. So what's going to happen over here is A will be Texas, B will be California. It just goes ahead and ignores the values over here. Okay, so that is single line unpacking, how you can do this in a single line. This is actually somewhat common on how to assign. You can assign multiple variables at the same time. You'll sometimes see this in code. Like this, when you want to just assign 2 things at the just in one line of code. So it's technically doing some tuple unpacking.